Hello traders, welcome to FX Mentor. So in this video, I am going to talk about the best long short indicator available on TradingView. However, there are a lot of indicators that are available on TradingView based on the long and short method. They are very good, but I am going to review the best that I have personally used indicator for the long and short trading. Right, so before I start this video, if you are having the problems with your broker, then you can join the broker that I am using, the Exness broker. The link is given in the description of this video below. Okay guys, now let's move towards the strategy, and you can see that there is an indicator that is in my favorite section that is called Smart Super Trend, and this is by the Will Keefe, and it has 722 favorites right now. Okay, so I'm going to attach this indicator because I will show you that how powerful it is even on the 1 minute time frame. And do not look at the first existence of this indicator. It might look a little bit confusing to you, so don't worry, we have to change some settings. So however, I'm going to give you a short view that how this looks like, right? Okay, so coming back to gold, so now I will add some changes to this indicator. So I'm going to the settings, and we do not have to change anything inside the inputs. You do not need to disturb this one. So if you have a knowledge about the ATR factor and the ATR period, then you can. Okay, you know that I have already talked about the ATR factors and ATR methods in the super trend in my previous videos, so you can watch those videos for the ATR method. Otherwise, I'm going to tell you about the style, that how you can make it more simpler and more precise and more accurate for your trading, right? Okay, so you have to remove cloud A, you have to remove cloud B, you also have to remove TP line, smart super trend. This is even not required. Okay, so just you will keep long and short, and also you do not need long exit, short exit, and even you don't need the bar color and the plots background. You even don't need them, right? Okay, now when we talk about the long and short, we will do some little bit changing. We will change the color for the long to green, into the green color. Okay, and the color is this one's green, and the second one is already into the red color, so that it should be very simple for us, because you can see now it's green, and that's red for the trading, right? Okay, so guys, you know that the market is closed today because today it is Saturday, but I'm going to show you, like, look at here, a long signal on gold 1 minute, a very successful ride on the gold 1 minute. That was very good. However, the previously market was ranging. USD CHF, just look on the 1 minute signal, long perfectly up, short perfectly down. So very nice, because this is not a easy job by the indicator. Look, on Euro USD provided us with the short signal, it is down. Long signals, you can see on the 1 minute it's working perfectly. So I am not saying that this will only work on the 1 minute time frame. You can use any time frame of your choice, but you can see that I'm making the video based on the 1 minute, so that you can see that this indicator is giving us very powerful results even trading on the 1 minute. So long, you can see up on USD CAD 1 minute, short down. Okay, so very good. So let's see more. Okay, here we had the ranging pattern on Great Britain pound JPY. However, the long comes and long went. That's not the issue. Okay, the next long on AED JPY, good scalping chance. Okay, so Great Britain pound USD long, good. Okay, long, that was good. Short, it was somehow good, and short somehow good for scalping, right? Okay, so this is how it's working on the long on Euro JPY 1 minute. So let's have a look on the 5 minute time frame, that how it is performing on the 5 minute. So guys, you can see short somehow good, long it's on the way. Long, that was a good signal on gold. Okay, USD CHF long, that wasn't work. Short, it was good. Short, it was good on USD CHF. Okay, so now you will decide that which signals are better, on the 1 minute or on the 5 minute. You can see long, successful. So guys, overall, I mean, on the smaller time frames, I prefer that you can use this indicator. That's very good. Even on the 1 minute time frame, that's giving us very excellent results. Moreover, I have told you about the indicator, that is the Smart Super Trend, and I have also shown you about the author, and I have also shown you the best settings that you can use with this indicator. At the end, guys, I will say that I'm using the Exness broker from 2015, and it is very honest, regulated, and authentic broker, because I never had a problem with the withdrawal never it happened with me, and it is one of the best brokers and trusted. You can also Google it, and you can check the reputation from Google as well. So if you want to join the best broker, the link is given in the description of this video below. So guys, if you like this video, then please press the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel, and share the video with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.